Two lines L and N are perpendicular and intersect at the origin. If line L passes through the point A, B, which of the following could be the equation of line N? If we draw these two lines roughly, let's say this is line L that passes through origin and A, B. This could be line N. Since two lines are perpendicular, then we know that the product of their slope is equal to -1. So let's find the slope of line L first. Let's say that the slope m for line L, that is equal to, since it passes through 0, 0, the origin, the slope is rise over 1, or y2 minus y1, a2 minus x1, b over a, right? So the product of b over a times slope of line n is equal to -1, so the slope of line n is negative a over b. So the equation of line n, which is equal to y is equal to mx plus b in slope-intercept form, we know that slope is negative a over b, and y-intercept is 0 since it passes through the origin, right? So the equation is y is equal to negative a over bx plus 0. So the answer is C.